equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of wire cutters. First, unplug your Dyson HD07 from the power source to ensure safety during the repair. Next, locate the screws on the back of the vacuum cleaner. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and set them aside in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the back cover off to expose the internal components. Now, you will see the cable connected to the motor. Take a moment to inspect the connection and note how the cable is routed. This will help you when installing the new cable. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help without any hassle. Using your wire cutters, carefully cut the old cable close to the motor connection. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding wires or components. Once the old cable is removed, take your new replacement cable and strip the ends to expose the copper wires. Next, connect the new cable to the motor. Ensure that the connections are secure and that the wires are properly aligned. It's crucial to match the colors of the wires correctly to avoid any electrical issues. After connecting the new cable, route it through the same path as the old one, ensuring it is not pinched or in contact with any moving parts. Once the cable is in place, it's time to reattach the back cover. Align it carefully and replace the screws you removed earlier. Tighten them securely, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this could damage the plastic. Now, before you plug in your Dyson HD07, take a moment to clean any dust or debris that may have accumulated inside the vacuum. A clean interior not only improves performance but also extends the life of your appliance. Remember, we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, so if you're unsure about any step, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Finally, plug in your vacuum and test the new cable by turning it on. Ensure everything is functioning correctly and that there are no unusual sounds. If you encounter any issues, we offer a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. Congratulations! You've successfully replaced the cable on your Dyson HD07. With a little patience and the right tools, you can keep your vacuum running smoothly for years to come. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.